Gen Z kids nowadays are really bold. His family gave him $28,000 to buy a top-of-the-line new car, but instead he turned around and bought this Land Rover with 300,000 kilometers Discovery 4. He thought he struck gold, but after stripping the whole car, he was dumbfounded. Aged paint, rattling chassis, jerky transmission shifting, and carbon buildup as thick as burnt rice crust. But since it's already come to this, the young man had no choice but to bite the bullet. When his furious dad saw the finished restoration, even he admitted it was money well spent. Usual rules: before getting to work, we give it a cold shower. Otherwise, we really couldn't bring ourselves to touch it. Washing complete. It's at the workstation. Let's begin. Start by stripping the interior. And a surprise bonus. I'll keep this safe for you first. Remember to ask me for it. Exterior and interior completely stripped, separating the body shell and the chassis. Prepping the whole car for Residual oil sludge and sealant must be completely cleaned off, otherwise it will ruin the e-coating process. Cleaning and sealant removal complete, starting the full car paint stripping. Up to 100 kilometers. Look at this stripped bare metal. Isn't it cleaner than your face? The core essence of restoring an old car is definitely the full body e-coat. Exterior paint just covers the ugliness on the surface. Only e-coating, electrophoresis, can fundamentally cure the common disease of rotting floors and rust on old cars. Submerging the entire car body into the electrophoresis, applying a stable electrical current, letting the eco paint evenly penetrate every crevice, achieving 100% blind spot free coverage. The body shell, got it, so the chassis shouldn't miss out either. First, shot blasting for rust removal. The shot blasting result is pretty good, right? Let the chassis enjoy the same premium treatment as the body shell. After all, the owner paid good money for it. But those... E-coating complete, starting the paint job. The whole car is sprayed with imported BASF Glacier Black. This mirror finish can even reflect my handsome face. If you don't believe me, look. Our Discovery 4 has just returned from our paint and body. This time, we still chose a black exterior, because Land Rover's black is actually a finish without metallic flakes. It's a pure solid black for the side and the rear view mirror parts. We actually paired it with a bronze color, giving this car a nice contrast between the black and bronze. After painting the exterior, for the interior, we still utilized this matte black finish. The engine hood is also matte. The exterior is glossy black. The whole car underwent with the final result of this car. The client should be extremely satisfied. Next, we start prepping the engine. The initial inspection results for this big 5.0 V8 were terrible. Burning oil, severe carbon buildup, and power loss. We are going to solve all these problems at once. This is the 5.0 naturally aspirated engine from the Discovery 4. These are the 8-cylinder bores. You can see 4 on the left and 4 on this side. After tearing it completely down, we can see the inner walls of the cylinders are actually still very smooth. It doesn't need additional cylinder boring. These are the 8 piston rings. They move inside the steel cylinders. We can see the carbon buildup on them. It's actually extremely severe. And the piston rings have developed a very large gap in the middle. The piston rings need to be replaced. After our deep restoration like this car's engine will regain its former glory. At the same time, we'll give the client 3-year or 100,000 kilometer warranty. This car will accompany the client in battle without any problems. The engine is fully disassembled. Next step, entering the ultrasonic deep cleaning phase to thoroughly clean out the oil sludge and impurities, carbon buildup. The new parts have arrived. Starting the engine assembly. Installing new piston rings. Piston movement test. Music, are we not the faint light running in the dark? Applying sealant. Music I have never... Clearly exhausted, yet not knowing why we persist, the transmission teardown and cleaning continue. Stuck transmission valve body and worn friction plates are the main causes of jerky shifting. We'll fix them all at once. Music, are we not running in the dark, chasing the starting the transmission assembly, replacing all friction plates. Testing if the operation is smooth. Engine and transmission are prepped and ready to be mated. Full car restoration parts are all completed. Starting the installation, starting with the chassis. Reinstalling the engine and transmission. Mating the body shell and chassis. Laying down sound deadening mats throughout the whole car. All the restored interior goes into the car. Our 2012 Discovery has completely finished all the work. The overall feeling is very shiny and stunning. You can see the black and bronze pairing. The lettering is bronze. The rear view mirrors are bronze. There is a waistline in the middle, extending from the headlights all the way to the rear. And these side vents. Look at the bronze paired with the wheels. The entire exterior looks absolutely beautiful. The exterior already looks stunning. But the most amazing part of this car is actually the interior. Let's open the door and show it off. The overall style of the interior is brown color. A very premium feeling brown, because our fan wanted to give this car's interior an old money aesthetic. Since it is an older car, if the interior is styled this way, it will definitely highlight that old money vibe and texture perfectly. The car is actually a vessel for a part of a man's soul. I believe this car has gone through countless storms alongside its owner. After this meticulous restoration, I believe this car will definitely meet the owner's expectations and satisfy his emotional value. I hope this Land Rover Discovery will accompany it to fight on his battlefields for another 20 years.